Hey everybody, welcome to Bodhi Acu and Wellness. Today we're talking Qigong for wrist and elbow pain. Now, before we get started, as always, if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. So, right now, so many of us are at home and so many of us are spending a lot of time texting, typing, changing the channel, and not a whole lot else. And we are getting a lot of pain in both our elbow and our wrist. So I'm going to show you a very simple Qigong program that we can help get some mobility back to the wrists and elbows and help make them feel a heck of a lot better. So let's begin with a few cleansing breaths. So step the feet slightly wider than shoulder width, bend the knees, tuck the pelvis under, lift from the crown of the head. Cross the hands in front. Take a deep breath in, visualize gathering white light all around your body as you breathe in. And as you breathe out, pulling down, filling your body, melting all tension down into the ground. In 2. And melt. In 3. Melt. In 4. Melt. And one more, nice and slowly. Gather the light. And pulling it down, melting over your body. Okay, so our first exercise today is going to be what's called turning the light bulb. So we're going to sink into our legs, hands about shoulder height, and I want you to just relax and rotate your wrists like you're turning two light bulbs. Now you'll always have one hand that's a little more coordinated than the other, that's okay. But I want you to continue to rotate the hands till you start to feel a pressure building up around them, your chi building up around them. And you'll start to feel a pressure building up around the hands. And a simple rotational movement like this, really great to warm up all the supinators and pronators, all the rotational muscles in the forearms. A few more. Want all those muscles nice and warm, nice and ready. Beautiful, take a breath. And out. Beautiful. Next, we're going to move to an exercise called fanning. So what we're going to do is we're going to press away with our hands at shoulder height, pulling our fingers back. And then what you're going to do is one at a time, you're going to fan your fingers down as you pull your hands back to your body, keeping your elbows nice and close to the center line of your body. So you're going to push away, pull the fingers back, fan the fingers down as you pull back, keep your elbows in. So breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Fan the fingers, breathing in, breathing out. Push away, breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Keep those elbows in as close as you can. Breathing out, breathing in. Now let's get a little more fluid movement. So you can feel that fanning action. You're going to feel the forearms start to get nice and toasty. Make sure you keep those elbows in. Breathing nice and easy. Just a few more here. You should be feeling the forearms by now. Push away, fan back. Push away, fan back. One finger at a time. Fan, 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 pull back. Few more. Beautiful. Let's take a cleansing breath. And out. Good. Yeah, you definitely start to feel those forearms with a fanning motion. So next we're going to move to stretch and receive. So first off, we're going to stretch out here, and we're going to be receiving energy and love from the rest of the world. And then we're going to rotate the hands around, and we're going to stretch right back out at shoulder height. All the way around, open. All the way around, stretch. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, pull the fingers back, breathing out. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Let's do a few more. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Last two. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Good. Cleansing breath. And out. So let's do one final exercise. This from Wuji Qigong, really cool exercise called Rao. And what we're going to do is we're going to bring the heels of the palm together and we're going to be drawing an infinity sign, a horizontal figure eight, right out at shoulder height. And your thumbs are going to be doing the driving. So we're going to go around. And I want you to turn the thumb all the way down, torquing through the wrist. Around, torquing once again, pointing the thumb all the way down. So we're going to breathe nice and easy. And I want you to do your best to twist that wrist all the way down. Try to turn that thumb so it's pointing right towards the ground. It'll relax your elbows and wrists and shoulders. Really try to twist it all the way to the vertical position. Breathing nice and easy. Twist. Kind of like you're holding a sword and you're chopping through the air. Twist. Breathing nice and easy. Relaxing the shoulders. Torquing and twisting the wrist as much as you can. Let's do just a few more here. Twisting. Beautiful. One more. And let's finish off with some cleansing breaths once again. Visualize gathering that white light as you breathe in and breathing out, melting all tension into the ground. In 2, melt. In 3, melt. And last 2, as slowly as possible, gather the light. Last breath, as slowly as possible, gather. And melt. Very well done. Now this short practice can be done as often as you like, and especially once again for so many of us at home right now. You can do this multiple times a day. If you're spending a few hours on the computer, you want to take a few minutes. Only takes a few short minutes to loosen it up and activate all the different flexors and extensors and supinators and pronators in the forearm. Goes a long way to balance the musculature. Remember, healthy body is all about strength and flexibility, range of motion. All of these things go into keeping their body supple and happy. Hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, as always, share this video with your friends and family. Help me to help other people. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.